We are having homemade Parmesan crusted chicken with pasta. Yummy, delicious, and we have some string beans on the side, and we are drinking homemade lemonade. Who is ready? What's up, Yummybites? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Keto with Yummybites. Y'all, today we are having Parmesan crusted chicken breast, y'all, on top of some pasta. Yeah, I haven't done this in so long. It's inspired by a meal from the Cheesecake Factory. Y'all, it's absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried it, you must, okay? And we're probably gonna have like some broccoli, some type of vegetable on the side. I haven't decided yet, okay? Who's ready to get started? Let's do it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start off with one chicken breast. Make sure you wash it and pat dry it with like a paper towel. Now, we're gonna butterfly this, okay? I don't usually do this, but I'm gonna do it this time. And just make sure that your knife is super sharp, because you're gonna go in and like slice it like halfway through. You're not gonna slice it all the way. Okay, you're just gonna butterfly it. Just like that. Go in as far as you can. There we go. Then we're gonna lightly season this, y'all. We're not gonna add any type of oil to it. We're gonna add some all-purpose Tony Sasseries. We're gonna do both sides. Now you can pound this out if you want to with like a mallet to make it more thin, but I'm gonna leave it. And we're gonna go in with some cayenne pepper. Then we're gonna go in with some smoked paprika. Crack 2 eggs. Add a little bit of Tony Sasseries to season it a little bit. Add some heavy whipping cream. About that much. Then we're gonna go in and we're just gonna whisk this up. Then we're gonna take our chicken breast that we just seasoned, and we're gonna lay it right in here. I'm gonna get in, make sure we get egg all over. And I have some low carb flour, some seasoned low carb flour. I just seasoned it with some all-purpose seasoning. And we're gonna dredge it in flour. And then we're gonna fry it. Or you can air fryers. I'm just gonna fry mine. But I'm gonna let it marinate just like this for about an hour. And then we're gonna flour it and fry it. All right, y'all, heat up some avocado oil. This is some old oil. If it's not that old, you can definitely use it. We're gonna carefully place our chicken, our breaded chicken with keto-friendly flour. Click the link in my description box under everything Yummybites TV and go to WIO, and you can get yours for 10% off your entire order if you use my link. fry that for about, I'd say 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Just fry it until it's cooked all the way through. Go ahead and flip her. Perfect. Alright, so she is ready to come on out. Make sure you put her on a rack. Perfect. Alright, y'all, we're gonna make a quick little Alfredo. We're gonna go in with some butter. Melt that butter. And then we're gonna go in with some heavy whipping cream. We're gonna go in with some Munster shredded cheese. Parmesan cheese. And a little piece of cream cheese. And this is a very personal size. Okay, I'm just cooking for myself today because they don't want none. So, y'all, that's some lemon pepper seasoning that you see. So we're gonna melt this on low. Let me turn this down because it's too high. And we're gonna season this a little bit with some chicken bouillon powder. You can season it with whatever all-purpose seasoning that you have. I'm gonna go in with some pepper also. And we may need a little bit more heavy whipping cream. We want to make sure our pasta is super creamy. Stir that around until it becomes a smooth sauce. I'm just using some fettuccine noodles. You can use spaghetti noodles if you want, whatever kind of pasta you want. You can use penne pasta. And the sauce is ready whenever all the cheese melts. And you can add a little bit of water to this if you would like, or chicken stock, if you need it. go ahead and put some parsley in here. This is dried parsley. Okay, now this is ready. Now we're gonna go in with our pasta. Nice and creamy every time. I know y'all hear it. I don't even have to taste it, y'all know it's delicious. I know it. All right, this is ready. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and fix our chicken. All right, so now normally you would put like a red sauce on here for this one, but I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna use this garlic sauce. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, y'all, but we about to try it. I just have a feeling it's gonna be delicious. Yeah, I got this from Kroger. You can use the name brand one, the tune one, but why when you can get this one? It tastes exactly like it. All right, and then we're gonna go over that with some Parmesan cheese. And then you can use Munster cheese or you can use mozzarella. But I'm using what I have. All right, now you can put this under the broiler or you can put it in the microwave. Ooh, it's hot. Everything is nice and melted. These are some green beans that I made y'all with just lemon pepper and butter. And I sauteed them. Then we're gonna go in with our pasta. And you're just gonna lay it right on top. Just like that. Ugh, that wasn't supposed to do that. Swirl it up so we can see it pretty. And we're gonna go in with some parsley flakes right on top. Doesn't this look delicious? Who wants a yummy bite? It's time. Happy weekend, y'all. It is time to eat, okay? We're drinking homemade lemonade today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share my videos everywhere, comment how delicious this looks, and I will see you guys in the next video. And let me know what y'all doing this weekend. Okay, what's going on this weekend? Bye, y'all.